up, everybody? These are wood chainsaw carvings from Burrville. They had a competition here last week. I forgot my phone, so we figured we'd come back up and share this with anybody that's interested. This stuff is wild. There's that one. I'm not going to talk much here in the video. I'll just go from statue to statue. This one over here is really wild. Two chainsaw guys fighting. Look at this. The detail these guys put into this stuff is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And we gotta go back over here. I gotta share this one. And this thing is huge. But every detail that these guys put into this stuff is incredible.
Oh, he's got a mouse. Catch the things.
Who's the pumpkin guy? This is the store. It's Burrville Power Equipment. It's the place. It's a Stihl dealership. They do Stihl chainsaws. They come over to this guy. The iguana. With the guitar. Bear down here. I don't remember seeing this one that day. Oh, he was working on it that day. This is the guy from Japan, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy was from Japan, everybody. It's amazing. This is one of me and the old lady's favorites. Wolves howling at the moon. Crazy. Check this out. The snake. This thing's an anaconda. Crazy. And that brings us over to Liverpool. And this one was one of my favorites. This is just crazy to me. Look at this. A lot of the guys do the finished work with Dremels, of course. You have to. Just look at that. It's incredible. That's the caption for that one. There was a fellow here from Australia. There's a guy here from Ireland, wasn't there?
Yeah, Ireland.
Yeah, Australia, Ireland, Japan.
This guy was from Ireland that did that one.
It's the first year that I went to it. Look at this one. This thing is crazy. coming down to the end of it. Cool chair. Ooh. Bookshelf with books. It's wild. And that's it, everyone. I just figured I'd share this with you. When we came here, I forgot my phone, and we were out this way. I figured, what the heck, throw it on the channel. Take care, everybody, and happy summer.